So find the negative root of the equation. If the question is like this, suppose our word is added negative, usually there will be find the root of the equation. Equation x cube minus x square plus x, whatever it is. Some equation. I'm not bothered about the equation. I'm bothered about this particular word negative. Negative root. Find it. If they have given it, first step, let f of x equal to. You have to write this equation, f of x cube minus x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Next, what you should do means g of x equal to f of minus x, that is wherever x is present you have to put minus x here. F of minus x you have to find it. Instead of x you have to use minus x. So minus x the whole cube minus of x the whole square plus minus x plus 1 will be useful. You have to use it like this. So equal to minus x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. This is my g of x. Nothing but f of minus x. This usually we'll do bisection method, usually we'll do, right? Other you have to find it. You have to apply it for this particular function g of x. If they asked about the negative root of a function, you have to transform it to g of x, that is f of minus x, and proceed as usual. Okay, g of 0, e of 1, you have to apply some values and find where the sign changes. Average, next average, that you know, on the process you know it, you have to do accordingly. Finally, you will get a root, say 0.3, you get the answer for this particular g of x. Okay, 0.3 you will get. You should put minus in front of it and say minus 0.3 is the root of, negative root of this particular equation or f of x. Okay, f of x is a negative value. In case they have asked you, you have to transform it to f of minus x, find the root and apply the negation at the last x value. Okay, that will be the negative root for this particular equation. This is not only for bisection method, this is true for all the methods that we are going to see later in this particular class. Okay, in the method is the logic. Negative root of the equation using bisection method, you can follow this. Using Newton-Raphson method, which we are going to see now, in the logic now. Okay, everything is same. Last x contributes to minus x. That's it. Okay, f of x, f of minus x first step. Proceed it in the method given, whether Newton-Raphson or bisection or successive approximation or regular falsy method, whatever it is. Apply it, and the final answer, change the sign, change the negative sign, put the minus in front of the value, we will get the negative root. That's it. That's the remark. Okay. So next we'll move to the topic Newton-Raphson method or Newton's iteration method. Both are same. Newton-Raphson method or Newton's iteration method. Both are same. Okay. As usual, I will teach you with an example. Okay, problem I will teach you. It's very easy. Newton-Raphson is the easiest problem or section in this particular unit. Formula, what's the formula? I will write the formula here. If the formula is given, I will write it here. Formula is equal to formula xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. F dash represents the derivative of f. F dash not derivative of f, that is df by dx. Okay. This is the formula we are going to use throughout the Newton-Raphson method. Xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of problem. Find an iterative formula. Find the formula of root n for some n belongs to positive integer. Z plus na positive integer. Okay, n is a positive integer. Hence, find the root value of 12 up to 4 decimal places. Okay, now the question is you have to find the general formula for root n. Okay, given any n, we may be able to find the value. Okay, or formula mari for n you have to find the formula. Apro find the value of root 12. Up and the n kandupidichathula you have to apply the 12 value so that you may get the answer. So adha they asked us to find it using Newton-Raphson method. Okay, the solution paapom first. Let x is equal to root 10. This is the first step. Let x is equal to root 10. Since they asked us to develop a formula for it, okay, or iterative formula for root 10, I am just taking x equal to root 10. So squaring on both sides, I get x square equal to n. Therefore, x square minus n equal to 0. Okay. This is the equation, x square minus n equal to 0. Now, what's a Newton-Raphson's formula? Xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. This is the Newton-Raphson's formula. Okay. Now, I'm going to apply the formula for this particular equation. Xn plus 1 equal to xn minus, maybe you can take it to be f of xn, you can take it. Okay, the x square minus n, you can take it as f of x so that it may understand it better. So xn minus f of xn is nothing but xn square minus capital N divided by, you have to differentiate this equation f dash of x. So f dash of x, now what you get? 2x minus 0, n on the constant. So if you differentiate the constant, you will get the value 0. So 2x minus 0, which is nothing but 2x. So 2xn. Okay, f of xn. Okay, if it is f dash of x, you have to write 2x. If it is f dash of xn, you have to write 2xn. Okay, xn minus xn square minus n divided by 2xn. So this is the formula. Now take the LCM. What do you get? 2xn square minus xn square minus n divided by 2xn. Okay, simplifying it. So simplifying it, what do you get? Xn square minus n divided by 2xn. So this is the formula. Xn plus n equal to xn square minus n divided by 2xn is the formula. So இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்னா n equal to 12 we are going to substitute it. Okay, that's what they asked. Find the value of root 12. Ipo the formula is for any n, for any capital N, substitute the value here, we can find the value using Newton-Raphson. So idhe mari for n equal to 12, given for capital N equal to 12, the formula changes as xn plus 1 equal to xn square minus 12 divided by 2xn. Okay, so now the first iteration or first approximation is let n is equal to 0. This is the first approximation. Let n to be equal to 0. So substitute here. So what do you get? x1 equal to x0 square minus 12 divided by 2x0. So now what's the value of x0? x0 oda value வந்து என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சாதா நம்ம x0 ல substitute பண்ணி we'll get the value of x1. So we need to find the value of x0. Okay, so அது எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? அந்த x0 ஓட வேல்யூவை எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? Since what is your given f of x? X square minus capital N, right? F of x equal to x square minus capital N. But this particular problem for n equal to 12, f of x is nothing but x square minus 12. Okay, இப்போ என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா f of 0. What is f of 0? 0 minus 12 is minus 12 less than 0. f of 1, which is equal to 1 minus 12 minus 11 less than 0. f of 2, 4 minus 3, sorry 4 minus 12, so I get minus 8 less than 0. f of 3, 3 square, 9 minus 12 minus 3 less than 0. f of 4, 4 greater than 0. So sign changes at f of 3 and f of 4, between f of 3 and f of 4. Okay, so the root lies between the value 3 and 4. Therefore, the root lies between 3 and 4. 3 4 நடுவுல இருக்கு. I don't know where it is, but somewhere in between 3 and 4. அதனால நான் initial approximation என்ன எடுக்க போறேன்? Initial value I'm going to take it as x naught equal to 3.1. Since it's because between 3 and 4, அதனால 3.1 na I've just taken it. Okay, so இதை substitute பண்ணா what do you get? x1 is equal to x naught 3.1 minus 3.1 the whole square minus 12 divided by 2 into 3.1. அப்போ இங்கேயும் yes. So the value கண்டுபிடிங்க. x1 equal to 3.1 the whole square plus 12 divided by 2 into 3.1. 3.485. Okay. Now the worth I am just writing it. So first one the 3.1. Second approximation 3.485. Okay. So x1 value on the 3.485. Again you have to use a formula. Now second approximation. Let n equal to 1. Substitute in the formula. x2 equal to x1 square plus 12 divided by 2xn, which is nothing but what is x1 value? 3.485. So 3.485 the whole square plus 12 divided by 2 into 3.485. This value கண்டுபிடிங்க. x2's value 3.485 the whole square plus 12 divided by 2 into 3.485. 3.464. That's my x2. So you usually go for 4 digits or 5 digits because 4 decimal places கொடுத்ததனால you have to use 4 decimal places. At least 4 decimal places use பண்ணனும். Next third approximation. Third approximation to 2. So x3 equal to x2 square plus 12 divided by 2x2. That is nothing but 3.4642 the whole square plus 12 divided by 2 into 3.4642. What's the value? Okay, 3.46410. So 3 decimal place வரைக்கும் வந்துருச்சு. Okay, one more. அங்க 2 இருக்கு, இங்க 1 இருக்கு. So you have to go for the next approximation. Fourth approximation, let n equal to 3. Apply in the formula. x4 equal to x3 square plus 12 divided by 2x3, which is nothing but 3.46410 the whole square plus 12 divided by 2 into 3.46410. 42
016.
0 வருதா?
ஆமா சார்.
So 3.46420. Again in the digit la fourth digit la there is a problem. Okay, so again fifth approximation let n equal to 4. So x5 is equal to x4 square plus 12 divided by 2x4, which is nothing but 3.46420 the whole square plus 12 divided by 2 into 3.46420. 3.46410 வா? ஐயா அந்த மாதிரி போயிட்டே இருக்கு. 3. Okay, அப்ப நம்ம இதோட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணலாம். 46410. மறுபடியும் எடுத்தா மறுபடியும் 420 தான் வரும். So the answer is 3.464. Yes.
எனக்கு x4 3.46410 தான் சார் கிடைச்சிச்சு.
x4 ஆ?
yes sir.
அப்ப yes, that's the answer. Yeah, 3.46410.
410 தான் சார்.
அப்போ ப்ளீஸ் செக் இட். இந்த இதை செக் பண்ணுங்க. ப்ளீஸ் ட்ரை டு செக் திஸ்.
ஓகே சார்.
இதை செக் பண்ணுங்க. செக் பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லுங்க. x4 சொல்லுங்க. Oscillate ஆகுது பாருங்க. 410, 420, it just oscillates. The x4 மட்டும் try to check, please check. அது ஸ்கொயர் வேல்யூ வந்து 11.999 Is it right? Just check it. இதோட ஸ்கொயர் வேல்யூ
12.000681 வந்து சார்.
No, just square value. Your square value 3.46410 square value is
11.99998881.
Okay. Plus 12, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus 12. So you get 23.9999 on the numerator and
Yes,
denominator
6.928.
3.46410 into 2. So
6.9282.
6.9282, yes. So we put 23.9999 divided by 6.9282. 3.4640. 408 and 3.46408. Okay. Which is closely resembling to 8 வந்து நான் என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம் I can take it to be 1. Okay, round off la you can take it to be 1. So 3.4641 அங்கே எடுத்துக்கலாம். So we don't need to do the fifth approximation. Fifth approximation தேவையில்லை. ஏன்னா இங்கே வந்து 3.46410 வந்துருச்சு. சாரி, இங்கே வந்துருச்சு. ஸோ ஃபிஃப்த் அண்ட் ஃபோர்த்தை கம்பேர் பண்ணாலே 4 digits வந்து they are equal. So the root is the root of 12 is 3.4641. Okay, that is square root of 12. Square root of 12 is equal to 3.4641. That's it. Solve x cube plus 2x square plus 10x minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, solve now. Find the root of it. Okay, that's a question. Find the root of this particular equation. X cube plus 2x square plus 10x minus 20. Our usual problem. Okay, last problem was a different problem. Find the root of 12. States that using Newton-Raphson you can find any problem or any solution to a problem. So either our usual equation கொடுத்துட்டா அதோட ரூட்டை we need to find it. Okay, so same logic. Let f of x, that's the first step. Let f of x equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 10x minus 20. Next எங்க வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகுதுன்றத பார்த்துக்கணும். ஓகே, when it where it changes. So f of 0, what is f of 0? 0 0 0 minus 20 less than 0. Okay, next f of 1 plus 2 plus 10. So 1 plus 2 plus 10 is 13. 13 minus 20 is minus 7 less than 0. Negative. F of 2, 8 plus 20. 8 plus 8 plus 20, 16. 36 minus 20 is 16, greater than 0. So enga change ஆகுது? f of 1, f of 2. So the sign changes in between f of 1 and f of 2. So the root lies in between 1 and 2. Therefore, the root lies in between 1 and 2. Okay, first analogy adha. Next, f of x formula use பண்ணுங்க. What's the formula for Newton-Raphson? xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. F of xn, we know xn plus 1 we will get from the iterative method. What about f dash of xn? So you have to find f dash of x. F of x is given. So f dash of x, the differentiable f dash of x equal to x cube. If you differentiate, you get 3x square. Which in 10th 11th you might have studied this. x cube differentiate பண்ணா 3x square. 2x square differentiate பண்ணா we get 4x plus 10 minus constant differentiate பண்ணா you get 0. So that's a derivative. F dash of x equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 10. F of x it's given. எல்லாமே கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Okay. Now the initial values. First initial approximation or first approximation. The first approximation, let n is equal to 0. Okay. So x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. So what's the value of x naught? So root lies between 1 and 2. So I can take the x naught as 1.1. Okay, let x naught equal to 1.1. Okay, 1.1. So the formula becomes x1 equal to x naught 1.1 minus f of x naught. F of x naught now you have to substitute that 1.1 in f. Okay, what is f? So that it will be in the same page. F of x equal to 6. Okay, so 3x square 3x cube plus 2 into x square by 2 2x square plus 10x. What's the constant value? 10x plus, okay, I will write it, 10x minus 20. This is my f of x. Okay, அது ஒரே சைடில் எழுதிக்கிறேன் because substitute பண்ணும்போது ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். So find f of 1.1. You have to use f of 1.1. F of 1.1 you have to find it. Substitute the value of 1.1 in this particular equation. That is f of 1.1 is 1.1 cube plus 2 into 1.1 square plus 10 into 1.1 minus 20. What's the value of 249? Okay, divided by again f dash of x you have to use 1.1. F dash of x substitute பண்ணோம். F dash of 1.1 similarly in the equation 1.1 you have to substitute. That is 3 into 1.1 square plus 4 into 1.1 plus 10. 3 into 1.1 the whole square plus 4 into 1.1 plus 10. What's the value of this? 18.03. 18.03. Well, yes, 12 or 16. Okay, 18.03. Okay, so minus is plus item. So 1.1 plus 5.249 divided by 18.03. So either calculate panna, what do you get the answer? 521 is the value of x1. Next, you have to find the value of x2. So x2 equal to, again you have to use the formula x1 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. Okay, if you find it difficult, I don't know, you can use it. X1 minus, what is f of x2 cube plus 2x2 square plus 10x2 minus 20 divided by 3x2 square plus 4x2 plus 10. You can use it. X1 is not x2, x1. Okay, so what's the value of x1? 0.3521. So 0.3521 minus, you have to substitute here 0.3521 the whole cube plus 2 into 0.3521 whole square plus 10 into 0.3521 plus 10 into 0.3521 minus 2 whole divided by 3 into 0.3521 the whole square plus 4 into 0.3521 plus 10. So what's the first value? 0.31, 0.3521. Okay, one clarification. What's the value of x naught I substituted? Is it 1.1? Please check it. Is it 1.1?
Sir, you substituted as 1.1, sir. I will check it.
என்னப்பா
Yes, sir. 1.1.
1.1
1.1.
ஓகே 1.1 சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணி தானே 0.351 வந்தது.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then fine, then it's fine.
So,
Yes.
I think the value of x1 is wrong.
Yes, that's my intuition also. X1
The value is 1.3911, sir. Sorry,
Yes, sir,
sir.
X1 ஓட வேல்யூ பாருங்க. X1 ஓட வேல்யூ, what's the value of X1?
1.3911.
1.391125.
1.3911. Okay, 1.3911. That's the answer. That should be the answer. 1.3911. Appo you have to change this. 0.35 கிடையாது. 1.3911. 1.3911. So just change everything. 1.3911. 1.3911. 0.3911. 1.3911. Okay. So x order 1 order value that is 1.3911. So x2 order value, what's the value of x2? 0.3689. Okay, fine. X2. With this, we'll stop here. இப்போ இந்த பிரச்சனை ப்ராப்ளம் வாட்ஸ்அப் ப்ராப்ளம்னா x1 மைனஸ் இது அப்படின்னு இருக்கு. ஸோ ஐம் கோயிங் டு சிம்பிளிஃபை திஸ். இது ஒரு ஃபார்முலா என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா xn plus 1 equal to xn minus xn square cube plus 2xn square plus 10xn minus 2 divided by 3x1 square plus 4xn plus 10. So I'm just going to take LCM. Take LCM. Okay, so LCM what do you get? 3xn cube plus 4xn square plus 10xn minus xn cube plus 2xn square plus 10xn minus 2. Okay, so minus irukadanaala you have to bring minus to everything. Minus plus. So this is 10 and 20, right? 20, right? The 2 is 20. I think I'm going to mistake it. That's 20. Did he calculate for 2 or 20?
20, sir.
20. Okay, good. So 20. So divided by the denominator 3x square xn square plus 4xn plus 10. Okay, 3xn cube minus xn cube is 2xn cube. Okay, so xn cube mudinchu. Next 4xn square minus 2xn square is minus 2xn square. So xn square gets over. Next 10xn cancel aayidum. Okay, remaining is 20 divided by this particular denominator. I hope this will reduce some burden நினைக்கிறேன் இல்ல மொத்தமா இருந்தது. I think இதே நம்பரே கொஞ்சம் it just reduced. So வீட்டுக்கு போங்க, வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு find x3 இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி x3 சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. So x3 சால்வ் பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆயிடும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா xn plus 1 equal to, this will be the formula. Okay, don't worry, xn plus 1 is equal to, this will be the formula. Denominator கீழே you have to write it. xn plus 1 இதுன்னு வந்துடும். So find x3 கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா n-க்கு 2 போடணும். Third approximation.
Sir, one doubt, sir. It is 3 xn power 2, sir.
3xn power
2, sir. It's 2 and it's 1 and there is no xn in 10, sir.
கரெக்ட் தானே? என்னாச்சு?
Okay, sir. Once you have multiply. Okay, sir. It's correct.
LCM தானே? ரெண்டுக்கும் take LCM. LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா this will be there. Okay, this will be.
Sir, yeah.
பரவாயில்ல. Okay, good. So that's it, guys. We will going to find x3, x4, x5. I think fifth approximation you will get the answer. Right side la இப்படி எழுதிக்கீங்க, right like this, and up to 4 decimal places the value should be equal. So once it's equal, it's okay, it's over. So இதே logic you have to follow it. Maybe we can solve it in the next class. Okay, இத continue பண்ண next class la we will continue from x3. So x3 continue பட்டு maybe you will see regular falsy method in the next class. Regular falsy method or successive approximation method. Okay, so this will stop and let me show you